This weekend's New to Loo 2 will have you looking forward to mopping your floors. Yeah, Nellie's Wow Mop makes cleaning your floors, well, somewhat enjoyable.
Say what?
You might not want to stop. We tested it for ourselves at this past weekend's Inspired Home Show at McCormick Place, and we kind of agree. Nellie's Wow Mop is not your ordinary mop. Cordless, lightweight, and rechargeable, the Wow Mop is incredibly easy to use. With high-frequency pads that oscillate 1,000 times per minute, the mop removes dirt and grime effortlessly. The mop comes with a pair of Nellie's Wow Wet Floor cleaning pads, which are reusable and machine washable. It's kind of like if you were to polish your floors with your hands, but without the wear and tear on your body. It has a large reservoir to hold your cleaning solution, and it'll make your bamboo floors shine like the top of the Chrysler Building. They also offer a kit that includes the wet floor mop pads and also their new scrub and polish pads, 2 bottles of Nellie's floor care cleaner, and 1 50-load laundry soda pouch. Because laundry, if you know the company, is actually where they began. Nellie's Wow Mop has an MSRP of $260, but again, you're gonna love washing your floors. However, on certain sites I'm looking at right now, the whole kit is going for even less than that. What are those sites, you ask? Well, you can find out on Lou's HouseSmarts YouTube channel. You'll find a video on this morning's New to Loo 2, as well as our past New to Loo 2s and a ton of other DIY and product tutorials. And be sure to click the subscribe button while you're there.